Hello, everyone, and welcome. Um, this is WooCommerce 101, today's WordPress.com webinar. Thank you for joining us. I'm Fernando, coming to you from Mexico. So before we start, a few notes. We are recording today's session for sharing after the webinar. Once this is over or later today, you will receive an email with a link to watch the videos in case you want to go back and see something else again. And you will also receive a survey about your experience here and a discount code for joining us today. Please use the Q&A feature during the presentation to ask any questions. We will try to answer some of the questions after the presentation. And if there are any questions that we don't get to, please know that you can always reach out to us at wordpress.com/contact to talk to one of our happiness engineers who will be happy to answer any of your questions. So with that out of the way, I'm proud to introduce my colleague, Rose, who will be in charge of today's presentation. Rose, take it away.
Thanks, Fernando. Hello, everyone. My name is Rose, and I am from the Philippines. I work as a happiness engineer. I support on WordPress.com. Today, we're going to talk about WooCommerce one-on-one. So WooCommerce can be a really complex topic, though we're gonna be tackling about only the basic today. So no other functions added through plugin extensions, but just the basic WooCommerce. So let me just share my screen with you. Okay, so what is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is a plugin created to convert your website to an e-commerce platform, especially these days where I think most of the countries all over the world, they're already in lockdown and most of the businesses are bringing their businesses online. So WooCommerce is a great tool that you can install to your WordPress site to turn it into an e-commerce site. So it includes everything from products and order management to bring your business online. And it is developed and supported by Automatic, so you are well covered. And there are also a lot of add-ons, extensions to the plugin to empower your website and meet your business needs. So for you to be able to use WooCommerce, business plan is required. That is for the WordPress.com platform. But if you're on a self-hosted WordPress site, you can go ahead and install this on your self-hosted WordPress site. There is more options for payment options. I spoke about simple payments. We talk about simple payments every Tuesdays, and they are somehow similar when it comes to accepting payments. But with WooCommerce, you can accept more options. You can offer more options for payment options. Also, shopping cart is included, shipping and tax, and also product and order management will be in your WordPress.com dashboard. So for the plugin installation, I'm gonna show you my test website here. My website is Fresh Options. My business is vegetables and fruits. In order for you to install WooCommerce, you can go to woocommerce.com to get the plugin, or you can just simply go to Tools from your WordPress.com dashboard and then go to Plugins. You can already see WooCommerce in the featured section, but if you cannot find it, you can go ahead and click this search icon and search for WooCommerce. So I'm gonna click this WooCommerce plugin and install it now. All right, so the plugin is already installed. The next thing that we're gonna do is the WooCommerce onboarding. So this is like, the onboarding will make it easier for you to set up your WooCommerce site. You can access the onboarding by going to WP admin. And then you go to WooCommerce and then go to settings. Click this help here. You can see setup wizard and then click this enable button for the new onboarding experience. So here we can put in our information. 3 First Street. Let me just do Alabama. CD. Click continue. Okay. Okay, let me just do this again. I'm getting an error. Hold on. Let me just set up wizard, disable. Okay, so in the next page, it asks you in which country, in which industry does the store operate. So I am under food and drinks. Click continue. What type of products will be listed? I will be posting physical and downloadable products. Click continue. Okay. It's giving me an error. Hold on. Okay, and then now it asks me how many products do you plan to display? Let me do 1 to 10 for now. Currently selling elsewhere, I will select no. Then I will just toggle off all those other options. Continue. And then Storefront is the default WooCommerce theme, but I want to keep the current theme that I'm using. So I will click this continue with my active theme. And that's it. That's the onboarding checklist. I just encountered some technical issue, but that's fine. Okay. So the next step that we're gonna do is product types and setup. So for WooCommerce, there are 4 basic product types. You have the simple product, which is it's the per piece product that you're going to be selling online. It can be a tangible product, something that you can ship to your customers. Virtual product, like example is gift certificate. Downloadable product, for example, recipe ebook. So virtual and downloadable, those are items that no shipping needed. The second type of product is the variable product. These are those with options like per weight, color, sizes, or stuff like that. Next is the grouped product. Say you have 2 simple products that you want to be sold per in package. You can use the group type products. And then the fourth basic type of product is external or affiliate product. For example, is the Amazon affiliate links. Now I'm gonna show you how to create those 4 product types. Let's go back to my WooCommerce site here. I will go to WP admin. And then from your WP admin, you will see this option here, products, and then select add new. Okay, let me just tell you what these are. So this is for your product name. I will say, just sell carrots. And then this is the long description. You can say anything about the product here. This is the short description. Usually the first thing that the user or the customers will see in your product page on the left, on the right side. So this is where you will select the type of product that you will be creating. So we will be creating simple product today. I want to price this $2. And then product categories, if you have a big inventory for your products, product category will be a great tool for you to categorize your product and display your products per category. So same thing with product tags. I will not be using that today. I will focus on the product image now. And I have my pictures here. Let me select my carrots. You can, if you have more images to display, you can use the add product gallery image, but this is the main product image, and I will publish this now. Okay, I just want to look at this preview. Okay, so this is my first simple product. The next product that we're gonna create is, okay, simple virtual. Let me just click add new product again. And then for my virtual, I want to say I want to sell gift certificate to my customers. So let's see, $25 gift certificate. And then when simple product is selected, you will see these two options here, virtual and downloadable. So I'm gonna select virtual. This is intangible products, or those products that you don't have to ship to your customers. My gift certificate is priced $25, so I will put $25 there. We'll set the product image. I have my picture for product gift certificate here, and then I will click publish. All right, so now here's my gift certificate. Next product that we will do is the downloadable product. So downloadable product is also intangible, so that is also categorized as a virtual product. So I will select both of them. Let me just click the add new product again. Simple product, virtual, and downloadable. This is when you want to sell, say, videos or images or themes or ebooks. You don't have to ship items to the customer. You will let the customer to download the product after purchase. So let me price my ebook to $15. I will add the file. So this is the downloadable file section. This is where you're gonna link the item that you are selling for downloads. Click this choose file button here. I have my ebook. Let me just check. I think this is the one. I don't have my ebook. Hold on. Let me just, it's right here. Okay. And let me just call this vegetable recipe book. Okay, so this is the file section. Once the customer paid, they will be able to download this. You can set the download limit to unlimited. Say after they download first time, they can download it unlimited. Download expiry, meaning if you will just let your customers to download in 30 days or 1 year or anytime they can download it, just set it to never. Now I'm gonna set the product image and click publish. Now I'm gonna look at this now. So this is my recipe ebooks. So the next product that we're gonna talk about is the group product. So say for example, you want to sell 2 items at the same time in one product listing, you can do that using the grouped product. So let me just say I want to sell my gift certificate and my carrots plus gift certificate. So your product should have already been created, like simple product, before you can link them together. So let me just do link products and then search for the product that you want to group. Carrots. Okay, there. And then you can set a product image. I don't have an image for that, so I'll just go ahead and click publish. All right, and let me just check my group product here. And this is my group product. So your customers can purchase them both at the same time. They just have to click the quantities from here. Next, let's go to the last, second to the last. That's the variable product. Variable product is for the products that you have that has different options like sizes, colors, or stuff like that. Let's say I want to sell carrots pack. And then I will select product data, product type, variable product. And then the two important sections here for variable product is the attributes and the variations. First, you need to create the attributes. Click add. And then I will call this weight. I'm gonna sell this by weight. 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, and 3 kilograms. And then I will check used for variations. There are some users who don't know where they can find this. This is from your keyboard under the delete or above the enter key with the backslash. This character. Okay, then click save attributes. Now let's go to variations. We're ready to create variations from those attributes that we just created. Select create variations from all attributes and then click go. All right. So with the variable product, you will be setting up the images. You can set up the images and prices in each variation. So this is by default minimize. You can just expand it like this. Put the prices here. 18 and then 25. Put product image, so this one, and then click publish. All right, and let me check our variable product now. So this is my variable product. People can choose the weight that they want and add to cart. So the last product type that we're going to talk about is the external or affiliate product. If you are doing, say, Amazon affiliates, this will be useful. You can list the product from your website, but people can click a button which will take them to the affiliate site where they can purchase the item. So I have something here up. I will post this to my website. Let me just copy the product title. And then this is the important section in general. This is product URL. This is where you're gonna enter your affiliate URL. By now, this is what the button will say from your website. Let me just 98.42 is the price. And then let me just set the product image and then click publish. Let's check this now. All right, so you have the product listed on your website, but if people click the buy now button, they will be taken to the Amazon site. So those are the 4 product types. Next thing is, let's set up shipping. So shipping and tax, we're gonna do this on the WooCommerce onboarding again. So we'll go back to WooCommerce then go to dashboard. This is where you can access the WooCommerce onboarding. So let's go to setup shipping. This is my store location. Set shipping cost, free shipping, or I want to do a flat rate of $6. Proceed. No, thanks. I will print my label my own. Okay, so for the shipping, the default shipping options that you can offer is flat rate shipping, free shipping, or you can offer more shipping options through WooCommerce extensions. Next is for the tax. So from your WooCommerce onboarding, you also have this setup tax link where you can set up tax. This is my store location. I will click continue, then configure. Okay. And then from here, I can set up my taxes. All right. Okay. Next. By the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to post it in the Q&A section. I'm happy to answer questions later. So for the WooCommerce settings, if say, for example, you need to edit something from the settings of your WooCommerce or store or anything related to WooCommerce, you can go to the settings page. And then you have all your tabs right here. General is for the general information of your website. Products. From here, each page you want to assign your shop page. So you have two options now for this one. So say, for example, you want to display your shop page in the home page. Your WooCommerce onboarding has this option called Personalize Your Store. Right now, this is my home page. Let me just show you. Right now, this is my home page. But if I want to display my products on the home page, I can do Personalize Your Store from the WooCommerce onboarding. And then create homepage. Skip this one, complete task. So what WooCommerce did is create a homepage for me that displays my product right there. Another option that you can do is to assign your homepage through the WooCommerce settings. I mean your shop page. Go to products. Right now it is assigned to shop. And then you can go to appearance, customize, menus, and then you can go to primary menu, add items, and then add your shop page to your menu. Just click save changes. So I have my shop page now here. Okay. So next is the tax. You can also set up your tax here if you want to edit it. Shipping, payments. Let me check payments and cash on delivery. Accounts and privacy, emails, integration in advance. So WooCommerce settings is where you can edit your stuff for WooCommerce. Next is order management. So say you get your first order. This is, let me just show you the customer's experience when they place an order. So let's say I will choose this one. This is how your customer places an order. Proceed to checkout. And okay, so somebody just placed an order. You will receive an email notification when somebody placed an order, and then you will access your order from WooCommerce. This is your WP admin still, and then you go to orders, and from here you can see the order that you received. You can click that, and then you will manage your shipping, your order from here. So you can do, you can update it if it's already been completed or if it has been canceled or refunded and all those stuff. Okay, so those are for the basic of WooCommerce. If you need additional functions, there we have this plugin extensions. You can access it from this WooCommerce site, which will give additional functions to your website. I have some examples here. So say, for example, you want a booking website, you can add WooCommerce plus WooCommerce booking plugin extension. If you want a course learning website, you can do WooCommerce plus Sensei. Membership website, you can do WooCommerce plus WooCommerce membership plugin extension. And also subscription website, you can use WooCommerce plus WooCommerce subscription.
Excellent,
Okay.
Rose. Thank you. That was a perfect overview of the general basic settings of WooCommerce. We do have a few questions that I'd like to get to before we wrap this up. So let's look at some of the Q&A questions that have been submitted. So to start with the basics, some people are wondering whether WooCommerce is free to use, if they can install it on any WordPress.com website, or if there is any special fee associated with this plugin.
WooCommerce plugin is free, so you can use it to your WordPress.com site without additional cost.
Perfect. Is there any special plan that they need to have in order to be able to install the plugin?
Special quantity?
A special plan? Because some people say that they have like the premium plan, or if they need like the...
You need to have a business plan in WordPress.com. You need to have either business plan or e-commerce plan in order for you to install WooCommerce plugin.
Okay, thank you. So going back a bit to the product setup that you showed us, there's a question from Marcia. She's just wondering if there's a way to set up an attribute that can be used on multiple products rather than having to configure attributes for each product that they are configuring. So if they want to have sizes like small, medium, large, like is there a way they can do that for multiple products at the same time, or like global settings, or does it have to be done per product?
Yes, there is. So for example, you're selling t-shirts, so all your t-shirts will have different sizes, but the same options. You can set the attributes for all your products. You can go to WP admin, and then you can go to products and then go to attributes. So from here, you can create your attributes.
Perfect.
Am I correct?
Yeah, that's right. So there's another question. Ananda is wondering, does WooCommerce configure the colors on the shop page automatically to your brand colors, or is there are there options to customize colors and fonts and different elements of like your site's style?
There's a color for WooCommerce which is like purple, like this one, that is distinct in the default pages, but for the entire design, it will still take your themes design. So right now, this is my theme. So my color palette is green because of the vegetables. This is vegetables and fruits theme. But if you will use other themes, it will take that other theme's color palette. But for the other colors, like email notifications, those will be in purple, but you can customize them.
Nice. Yeah, I believe from the settings of WooCommerce, there are some options, especially for emails. So if you go to like WooCommerce settings, emails, and scroll down to the bottom of that screen, like you do have some options there to customize the colors that customers will see when they receive an email from you.
Yes.
So finally, and to wrap this up, they're wondering if WooCommerce have like a country where it works on, or if it's open to like every country, or if you can enter like any address as your shop-based address, or if it's limited to certain regions only.
You can use WooCommerce in any countries, But the thing that you need to double check is the payment options that you will be offering. So while you can use WooCommerce in any countries you are located, there are payment options that are only available in specific countries. For example, Stripe. So you can use Stripe in WooCommerce, but Stripe is not available in every country. So receiving payments is very important. So that is something that you need to check. But of course, you are free to use WooCommerce from anywhere you are in the world.
Nice. So with that question, I think we're ready to wrap up. We're right on time. So thank you, Rose, for the excellent presentation. Thank you, everyone else, for joining us. Please remember, you will receive an email later today with a link to the recording of this session. So if there's anything you want to go back to see how to set up some of these stuff that Rose just showed us, you'll be able to do so. You will be also receiving a discount code, discount coupon for joining us today. And please know that if you have any questions that we didn't get to, you can reach out to our happiness engineers at wordpress.com/contact. Make sure to also visit wordpress.com/webinars for you to see the schedule of our next sessions. You might find something else that's interesting to you there. So thank you everyone for joining.